Hey guys, hope you're doing good. I just made a plan that I should make videos from mobile because the thing is I don't have much time. The time is the problem. So I'll make a new playlist with the name of technical analysis, mobile and English. Technical analysis, mobile, English. Like I just made a new playlist for Urdu technical analysis. So you just need to open that and see the stuff which I'll post in the future. So because from if I use mobile by using mobile MT4 trading view, I can I can make videos easily. So it takes only few minutes. So let's start it. So this is our first video from mobile. So it's chfsgd, Switzerland franc, Singapore dollar. Okay, what happens if you see my last post on CHFC SGT? I shared that area. Let me draw by using rectangle reader. Okay, so this is our area, and market just took entry from here, and it was dropping down, dropping down, dropping down. So what happens now? We have reached our opposing area of the month chart, and it is time to move up now. So we can use our all the daily levels here. Maybe we see some daily levels here, any level, any strong level. Or if you're using lower time frames, lower time frame than daily chart, then also, but it's better use daily and monthly combo. And when you find out spot or the spot areas on the daily chart, then you can easily work um, on the lower time frames like H1. If your entry time frame is H1, H4, you can use them. But this is a best way to understand the nature of the market, any pair, by using these time frame combos. So it's better. So right now market is moving up, and the opposing area is, this is our opposing area. We can use confirmation rules. Let me change the color. If market takes order again, we can use here confirmation rules. If market drops from here or not, we'll use confirmation. Why? Because this is actually reaction. That area is because of reaction to this area. So we use confirmation rules on multiple levels. So it's better to use confirmation rules by using daily, monthly time frame combo. Okay, now let's just check our daily chart first of all, or week chart you can check as well. This one, if you see that area, this area, this area, maybe market can retrace back from here. Why? Because it removed this area and this whole support area. So market can drop again. Maybe we see a, a move down in the future, in coming days. But let's see. It depends on the market. Market can fill that whole room with the very finest first move as well. Why? Because it just took entry from the bottom of the month chart opposing area. So month chart opposing area of demand. So we were talking about the month chart levels. So when high time frame levels eliminated by the market or tested by the market, then on lower time frame, no matter if it is week chart, so we call that a high time frame as well, but lower than month chart, all the time frame levels will be negated. Market will reject them. But let's see why. Because this is our, that could be our curve area, this area. So maybe we see some reactions, a small reaction like that, and let's see what happens. But let's see what's going on the daily chart. Let me open that. Okay, that is a CP. Still not. I mean, I'm waiting for that. Maybe market move up with first move, but that could be our weekly curve area. Maybe we see some retracement, but this is our area. Why? Because it removed this one, this one, this level, this level. When market hits an opposing area of any high time frame than your entry time frame, and and that is our curve area as well, then the bottom area is correct to trade, and it looks nice. If you see that this area, let me draw rectangle, another rectangle. uh, okay, let me change the color of that. Where is that? Oops. Okay, perfect. So if you see that, it removed this one, this one, this one, all those levels. When market hits a curve area or one high time frame area, opposing area, a small area that could be, or we call that, we use the word curve area that could be proved as a curve for daily chart or H1 as well. So it can retrace back a bit, but this retracement, that could be can say that arrival movements as well. Why? Because why we say arrival movements? Because it takes order from the bottom of the daily chart. Example, for example, if that area is not good for the longer term um, bias, then we use we can use level, that the same level as per the height of the departure. This is its departure height, so we can hold up to that. A minimum it can give you like that, margin like that. If no, a minimum, if you open two trades or one trade, for example, if you open one trade and like that, two trades here, the same area, one trade you can close up to the departure height. The second trade you can hold up, you can use stop trailing like that. Set your stop loss here on the any CP you see, you find on the daily chart. Set your stop loss here. If market tries to break that level, the same order, you can hold up to that area. But if it tries to remove back or tries to move back, why? Because I have a small doubt. We always have a small doubt. Why? Because if you see the month chart, look at that. It just tested. Market can fill that space as well. Market can hit up to here, this area. It all depends on the market. But minimum, it can hit, or it can take order from the bottom, like that. And then again, it can create some bullish movements on the daily chart. We use confirmation rules. Then we'll take another order. Then maybe it moves down. Sorry, it moves up for long bias in the for the future, or for a few months. But technically, if I see longer for position type of traders, for them, if I see here, if you see another thing I can show you here, look at that. Market just removed. Market was moving up. What happens next? This is our month chart. Month chart is removed. Maybe we see something like that, or maybe that is the time of downtrend on high time frame. But that is another thing, and we can analyze charts, different pairs with different aspects, but that is another thing. So on H4, let's see H4, what's going on H4. Yeah, this is, so our daily area is valid right now, because here that was a CP level. Market just took order from there, already tested. So this is not good. I don't recommend that to use that. So this is valid area. Maybe we see some drops, If market drops down, then you just take that entry. That is a good entry. Minimum profit margin you may see up to that. I mean, like that. Minimum profit margin, like that. So that's how we see chfsgd. Hope you enjoyed the video, and in the future I'll keep posting, uploading such a videos from the mobile phone. So that's it. And if you have any requests, just send me a DM. I'll respond to that. Okay. So good luck. Bye bye.